Go again.
Yo. Wild work. That.
Notice why it's such a tempting combination. When you pray, you're gonna call him, I wanna
Oh my fucking god, dude!
They got
Jesus fucking Christ!
Why is this my fucking feet?